so hot. There were a group of seagulls flying in the air when we were in the water. One had a piece of bread, really big. Another seal swooped in, tackled him like midair, and they started fighting over the bread. It was like a whole ordeal. It was really dramatic, but that's what's going on right now. That bird almost took my mozzarella stick. So cute. Hello. We're just chilling right now. Heat drains you. It makes you tired. So we've been having like, you know, some time of rest. But for dinner later, we're getting hibachi, which I'm really excited for. I haven't had hibachi in a while, so it's gonna be cool to see all of the tricks they do in the fire and stuff like that. But then after that, I think right after that, we're gonna be seeing an ice skating show. The cruise is putting on an ice skating show, so that's gonna be fun as well. I'm trying to film it. We've been going to like a lot of different shows, listening to music on the cruise, walking around. It's really cool. Cruises are cool. So many activities to do. You really can't get bored, so that's always good. You don't want to get bored. The fun shall continue. We're about to go to the ice show, but I just wanted to show you. Just to put it into perspective of what we're dealing with, that's all ocean. Like there's just nothing there. It is like, you just look at the ocean and you're like where are we? What are we doing? What's going on? So yeah, I just wanted to show you that because people were like, Aubrie, are you scared of cruises? And I'm like, no, but I have my moments. Like, okay, this balcony, there's a railing, yeah, but if I look, I don't want to get too close, but like if I look over the edge, there's no like floor, so you know. But again, it's just there's nothing. It's just nothing, and it's even scarier at night because you can't see anything. It was just like you can't see anything. So I just wanted to show you because not everyone goes on cruises because they're scared of them. But I say if you're up for it, go for it. It's fun. It's fun. Off to the ice show now.
seen all the times when I could not find a friend. Pretty good. So I got my letter, read it to the light. Read it.
Arabian Nights. Oh, boy, sit back. This parade is going to be such a pinch. Goodness gracious, these pirates have gone gaga.
I am ice skating, and it is a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. I'm a pretty good roller skater. I'm pretty good at that, but this is like a whole different thing. But it's okay. I'm gonna keep trying. Gonna have fun. Just finished skating. I'm about to sign up to, be in the Olympics for ice skating. I think I'm at that level at this point. I think it's gonna be good. I got used to it, and now, I'm just a pro. In all seriousness, it was really fun. Like I said, I love roller skating. I've always done that. But ice skating's different. It's just different. I don't know how to explain it, but it is. But once I got used to it, I was able to, have fun, go a little faster, try some tricks that weren't as impressive as I thought they were when I was doing them in the moment. After watching them back, I'm like, oh, I just spinned slowly. But you know what? That's fine. I think we're about to get dinner now, so see you later.